Kristi Gordon with a look at our weather forecast, and I'm not sure if it's feeling Christmassy yet. Not really.
Well, not here, Sophie. No, because temperatures are actually going to warm up this weekend. You're exactly right. But we've got tons of snow for the mountains up towards Whistler and in through the interior regions. Look at the system that's driving on shore. We've got another one on deck in behind it. So it's going to be one thing after another over the next little while. I am very sorry, everyone. This happened to me again. It happened last night, too. All right, here is a look. So we've got right now a special weather statement. The concern is as this low pressure center moves in, we've got low pressure, and that actually makes the tides a little bit higher. And we've got some of the highest tides that are going to occur this weekend. So weather statement in place for these areas for the concern of high tides Saturday and Sunday. So if you're down near the water, make sure you're aware of that. We're also expecting significant snow throughout the day tomorrow. We're talking about 15 to 20 centimeters on all of these mountain passes. Here's a look as the system drives across the region. We're having problems with our computer here. There's a look. So this is the first wave that we're going to see throughout the day tomorrow. It's rainfall for coastal regions, but tons of snow for the interior. That's great for the mountains in the interior. And then another one that will move on shore on Sunday. And then we've got two more on deck into early next week, PS. And the one on Tuesday is going to be an atmospheric river, it looks like. So we're talking about significant rain for the South Coast area. So snowfall for the interior regions, mountain passes. If you're traveling tomorrow, you need snow tires, or if you really don't like snow, make sure that you stay home because tomorrow is not a day for travel if you're in the interior regions. For our region, we'll get in behind it. The majority of the rain for our region will be tonight, Sophie, but we certainly have significant rain once again expected on Saturday night into Sunday. Back to you.
All right, thanks, Kristi. Kristi Gordon now with a look at our weather forecast, and looks like we're experiencing some winter-like weather in some parts of the province, Kristi.
Absolutely. In fact, government just putting out a travel advisory for everyone this weekend, and this includes Whistler and all the way into the interior region. So not only is there a travel advisory, which I'll explain, but high tide, flooding potential, and many stormy days ahead. So let's dive right into it. So these are the areas under a travel advisory. It includes the Sea to Sky Highway north of Squamish, all of the Coquihalla to Merritt, as well as Manning Pass and the Hope Princeton. Highway 3, Folsom Summit to Kootenai Pass, also expecting significant snow. This is starting right now and through the morning hours tomorrow. We have another wave on deck for our Sunday, but for the next 12 to 24 hours, we're expecting up to 20 centimeters of snow. We've got two systems. Here's a look at them. They're potent, one thing right after another. So here's the timeline. As we head into early tomorrow morning, widespread snow in the interior regions. We are going to see heavy rain across the south coast, but by tomorrow, it begins to ease off. It is going to ease later in the evening on Saturday for the interior regions before that next wave moves on shore quickly, bringing rain to coastal regions and significant snow for those of you in the interior. And these are the areas under the special weather statement because of the high tides. So those low pressure centers actually cause the high tides to be even higher. So early Saturday morning at about 10:25 a.m. as well as Sunday at 11:08 a.m. That's when we're expecting the potential for flooding down near the water. So I know a lot of people like to walk at that time, Sophie. All right, so there's your forecast. So the heaviest snow for the interior regions in the morning tomorrow. However, it's not a great day for travel or weekend for travel both days, although we may see a little bit of a lull in the action in the afternoon. All right, Sophie, here's a look. Stormy days ahead. We're right into it Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday with the potential for an atmospheric river on Tuesday. Tonight's central windows weather window coming to you from the Fraser River where this is the sunset. Beautiful shot. Thanks to Sandy for that one. Soph, back to you.
The calm before the storm. All right.
That's right.
Thanks, Kristi.